Well, Frank is going to be doing some work on the truck, and that's one reason why he was pretty excited to get access to a garage. So he's exploring the top of the garage right now. He found some encyclopedias, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna go get his toolbox for him. So y'all just have a good time watching. Okay. So Frank, what are you doing?
Oh, we need to change out all the coils on this truck. They go bad every 20 or 30,000 miles.
Okay. All right, Frank.
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Trying to keep the thing from freezing up. Coil number 1.
How many coils are there?
8.
Oh.
8 of them. Old one, new one.
Oh, wait, let's see. Yeah.
I mean, there's not, you can't tell by looking at it, something's wrong with it. I don't even know if this is gonna fix it.
So what is this thing up here that you took off?
That's just the air intake thing. This is the, I think, 3rd set of coils that I have personally put on this thing. Gotta try different ones. I don't know why they're going bad, or if this is it, or if the spark plugs, but we need a truck to get down to the cabin to take stuff. The 250 has caliper problems, so I'll try this first. And if we can't get this, then I fix the caliper on the 250.
So why do you put silicone paste on them?
Otherwise it sticks.
Okay.
I have lots of tools that will do all this stuff, but I'm resigned to using this little toolbox because I don't have any tools over here, and there's no way to secure tools over here yet. So, I mean, all you gotta do is take a hammer and then the doorknob's gone.
So what do those actually do?
Used to, there were a distributor cap, and it would go round and round and fire each cylinder. Now there's computers that fire each cylinder when it needs to be, and each one of these is its own little.
Oh, I can see it now. Down in there.
Each one of these is its own little. The computer is the distributor now, and each one of these sends the high voltage it needs to run the spark plug to make that spark. You know, the spark that we have.
Okay, yeah, all right. Now you can see down in there where they're at.
Get to move. All right, now get started on the fun side. I hope this works so we can take this puppy to the cabin tomorrow, because the plan's not going to work very well. because I need to get some cinder blocks and plywood.
all plugged back in. Alrighty. I can shut the flashlight off, I guess. Gotta put the battery, attach the battery back together. Do you need the flashlight?
Nope. Well, how long did it take?
21 minutes plus. Alright, we'll give it a go. Alright, let's go for a ride and see how the truck does. And we're off. So, Frank, how did it go?
What?
The truck.
I worked on it.
I know.
How do you think it should go?
That's why I'm asking.
Of course it worked.
It worked just like it was supposed to. It worked good.
I'm at AMP.
All right, good job. Hey everybody, thanks so much for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. Until next time.